Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a vlog. I really wanted to do this because I feel like I have a lot of updates, a lot of things that are going on in my life right now that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I'm currently in Dubai. We actually just got back from around like a month-long vacation from Egypt because we were celebrating my brother-in-law's wedding, which was super fun. I'm gonna insert some videos and pictures here. Yeah, that vacation was amazing, but you know, Egypt is always very hectic. I feel like I got out of my flow with work a lot. Like, I mean, I barely worked, to be honest. And I understand this is what a vacation is and this is what I'm all about, you know, basically barely working or working 4-hour weeks. But to be honest, the thing that consumes my time the most is my social media platforms, and I like for that to consume my time because I actually really enjoy it and I enjoy creating content. So yeah, I feel like I didn't really get to do much of that over there, but that's completely fine because we spent a lot of time with family. We spent a lot of time on the beach and a lot of time celebrating and in those events. So yeah, it was super fun. And now we are back in Dubai for just around a week. We're actually making another move. So we're not going to stay here in Dubai. We're actually currently in the process of packing up our things and going back to Canada. And once I get there and everything is settled, I'm going to make a video on why we are making this move back. But for now, yeah, I'm just gonna be basically showing you my day. Today I have quite a bit of work to do. I have quite a bit of emails to answer. I want to film some content and I want to start doing a little bit of packing too. So I'll show you guys what I do throughout my day. I'm currently just having my coffee over here. So yeah, I'm currently just having my coffee and watching some videos for inspiration and educating myself a little bit. I love to watch Tatiana James's channel in the morning. I feel like she's really inspirational and she is the main person that I learned Amazon FBA from. So I love to watch her videos and her husband's videos as well. They really motivate me in the morning. They get my morning started and they get my mindset in the right place. So yeah, I'm just doing that right now. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm also writing down my to-do list on my iPad. Let me show you guys that. So yeah, I love to write down my to-do list here, and I just have a few videos to film for my Amazon product, and I have some videos to film for my actual channel as well. But yeah, I love that I can actually like write things down on this iPad, and I have like a planner that I actually use. So this is what the planner actually looks like, and then I just clear it every week and I fill it back up, and it's great because it keeps me organized. I love to write things down. Like, I don't like the digital to-do lists. I like to actually write it down, so this kind of gives me the best of both worlds so that I'm not keeping a bunch of paper and I'm losing it, but I still get the satisfaction of writing things down. And I actually got the cover that is called like Paper-like. So it actually makes my iPad feel like paper, which is awesome because it's a lot easier to write on it this way. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do that and write down my to-do list and organize my week and organize my day, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I'm still sitting over here, but I wanted to mention a tip because I just came across this video on YouTube, which is Amazon must-haves for 2022, and it's by a channel called Aaliyah's Face. So I'm guessing the YouTuber, her name is Aaliyah, and she mentions at the beginning of the video, she says, hey, by the way, if you click on any of the links below, I get a commission. And then she's going to mention a bunch of her favorite products. So I think watching these videos is actually a great way to find Amazon products to sell, because the whole point is you want to find everyday products that are targeting a certain customer type. So whether it's men who like matte black, or men who like brown leather, or women who like pink, or women who like beiges and creams. So targeting a specific customer base and then making everything with that customer in mind, so the branding, the packaging, and everything like that. So I do teach this in my program, FBA Academy. So if you aren't already a part of my program, I'm going to leave a link below in the description box for you to join. But yeah, watching this video is great because you can actually find a lot of great product ideas. So this is the video right here. I'm still at the beginning, so I'm still going to start watching it. But I just wanted to mention that this is a great way to actually find products, because she mentions a lot of her favorite finds, and then this means that probably her followers are going to go in and start to purchase these products, and it's going to gain traction. And you know, if she was interested in buying it, then a lot of other bloggers and YouTubers would probably be interested in receiving it and promoting it on their channels. So yeah, I think this is a great way to search for products that are branding friendly as well.
I take all of my pictures myself on my Instagram using a tripod and a Bluetooth remote. Now, it was about time I upgraded, y'all. I done had
Hi guys, so it's currently the next day and I'm speaking a little bit wonky because I actually just got back from the dentist.
I
What
can't
is that
really
mug on
I
your
can't
face?
talk because I had my whole face.
And I got super numbed because I got one of my cavities filled, and I like to not feel anything when I go to the dentist, so she really numbed me. So I'm sorry if I'm speaking a little bit wonky right now, but I wanted to film this clip because I actually forgot to close off yesterday's video. After breakfast, I basically just did my makeup and I filmed because I got my first PR package from Pretty Little Thing, which is very exciting because I love their store. I order from them all the time. And even though I'm not a fashion blogger, I'm a business blogger, but I do still love fashion and I love to have nice outfits in my videos. So yeah, that was really special and super exciting. So I shot a TikTok for them and a reel, and yeah, I'll definitely be wearing those clothes in future videos as well, so you'll get to see them. And yeah, we basically didn't do anything for the rest of the day. We chilled and watched House of Dragon, I think. Or no, sorry, we watched She-Hulk, which was really nice. And yeah, so we're gonna continue to basically pack and get our things together. We have around 1 week left here in Dubai, so we're trying to get everything together. Our house is a mess right now. I'll insert a clip of what it looks like. So it's a mess because we're just trying to get everything together to move out in a week. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was super quick, just a daily vlog. If you want more of these, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna stop speaking because truly this side of my face is super numb, so it just looks very silly. So I'm gonna stop speaking, but thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.